Hello students. Now today we are going to see about the square and square roots. Now you have studied in your lower classes that when a rational number or any natural number is being multiplied by the same number, we get a square of that. So how can we get the square? That is, a number when multiplied by itself, we get a square. So here you can see square and square roots. Can you see here? Now what is written in here? When a natural number is multiplied by the same natural number, the product is also 1 minute some yes when a natural number is multiplied by the same natural number, the product is also a natural number. Such number is called a square number. Now you can see here, example I have given: 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, and so on. So here 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, after 49 comes 64. These all are the perfect square number, called the square numbers. Definition of the square number is: if a natural number a can be expressed as b square, that is a equal to b square, where b is also a natural number, then a is called a square number. Then a is called a square number. The example here, if we take b as 2, then 2 square means 2 into 2 is 4. So here a will be 4, and we know that 2 and 4 both are the natural numbers. Similarly, we can take another example: 5 square is 25. 5 is a natural number, while 25 is also a natural number. So such a number which is obtained by multiplying a natural number with the same natural number is called a perfect square. Then property: the perfect square has only 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 at its ones place. Whole number, while the number having 1, 3, 7 or 8 at its ones place cannot be a perfect square. But not essentially all the numbers having 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 at its ones place are perfect square. For example, 10 has 0 at the ones place, but it is not a perfect square. 11 has 1 at the ones place, still it is not a perfect square. Or we can take 21 also, 31 also, they are not the perfect squares. 14, that is at the ones place, 14, 25, 34, 54, 44, these are not the perfect squares. But 64 is the perfect square, means 4 is there. 15, 0, 5, 15, they are not the perfect squares. 25 is the perfect square. Again 35 is not there. 35 is not there. Then 45, 55, they are not the perfect square, though they have 5 at the ones place. Similarly 26, 16 is the perfect square. 6 is not a perfect square. 36 is a perfect square, but 46 is not perfect square. 56 is not perfect square. 66 is not also perfect square. 76 is not perfect square. So there are several numbers with ones place 6 are not the perfect squares. And similarly 9 at the ones place, all the numbers who have 9 at the ones place are not compulsorily the perfect square. Yes, some are there which are the perfect square. For example, 169 is the square of 13. One more example, 49 is the square of 7. So these type of some numbers having 9 at the ones place are perfect square, but not all the numbers which are having 9 at the ones place. So these are not the perfect squares. Now we'll see about now on this basis already I have sent one exercise to you, and one more exercise I will send you, in which you are just going to find the squares of the given number, and some square numbers are there. You have to just find whether, or some numbers are there, whether they are perfect squares or not. First you have to find on the basis of the ones place digit, and then actually you have to find it by factorization whether it is the perfect square or not. Got it clear? So I will give one worksheet with this, so do solve that and try to send to me, or after the reopening I will be able to correct it. Thank you.